So many people are religious only in words. They keeping talking. God is a topic of discussion. It is not a dimensions of experience. It is not a fire to change life. It is the ash of principles. People remain entangled in scriptures. They keep splitting hairs. The ego enjoys that too. Buddha rejected scriptures. Buddha says you can find it later. Right now, get up. Right now, get rid of the sorrow of your life. Try to erase some sorrow. If it is not erased, then this sorrow is there anyway. Then you will be returned. Come out of the prisons a little. Do not afraid. If you do not find the open sky, you will return here. Buddha gave curiosity, not faith. Buddha gives inquiry, explorations, not faith. Buddha only said, do not sit like this. If you sit like this, nothing will happen. If you sit, nothing will happen. Search is necessary. You are unhappy because you have not discovered all the possibilities of life. You are unhappy because you thought that you have got a life with birth. Within birth, you get only the possibility of life. You do not get life after the womb. One has to search for life. He who searches finds it, and after the birth, he who sits and thinks that he has found a life, this is a life, he is born and this is a life, he misses it. So Buddha did not say that. I tell you that you will definitely find this salvations, this freedom, this sky, this God.